अमरीकी सदर डोनल्ड ट्रमप ने शिकवा किया है कि उन्हें 8 जंगें रुकवाने के बावजूद नोबेल इनाम नहीं मिला। कहा गया था कि रूस यूक्रेन जंग रुकवाएंगे तो नोबेल इनाम मिलेगा, लेकिन ये नहीं देखा कि पाक भारत जंग और बाकी 8 जंगें रुकवाईं। हर जंग रुकवाने पर नोबेल इनाम मिलना चाहिए, लेकिन लालची नहीं बनना चाहते।
If President Trump ends that war, he's going to get the Nobel Prize. So I end that war. Well, he won't get it for that war, but if he ever gets it for the next war, now they're saying, if he ever ends the war with Russia and Ukraine, he's going to get the Nobel Prize. What about the other 8 wars? India, Pakistan. Think of all the wars I ended. I should get the Nobel Prize for every war, but I don't want to be greedy. Actually, the woman who got the Nobel Prize said, "You've got to be kidding. Trump deserves the Nobel Prize." So that was very nice of her. I appreciate it, which is true, actually.